bin 392, y'all. You guys already know this contract, you know. Today we're doing the back diffuser, y'all. We're changing the back diffuser. So, you know, we're still in the process. You can show them.
Now
Still in the process, y'all.
you see?
Put it on there, carbon fiber.
You already know.
I'm gonna try to show them this, man. Look at this. That's what we got, man. Bad boy. Got this bad boy, y'all. Got on his new soul this thing. Ready? Yes, sir. We'll be back with you guys when we take that down. You guys know, man, we just took this bad boy out. Let's see that.
It doesn't have a lot of dirt under because they do burn out.
Yep.
You know the
Not
rocks?
yet.
There is no rocks in there.
So we're gonna measure this thing, man, so you can literally see. You have to make a holes in it.
So one,
like something like
two,
that.
three, right over there. Until four?
All
Like
over,
four of them,
bro.
right? It's four of them, yeah. It's only four, right?
4, yeah.
Two.
Oh, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh yeah, we
5.
gotta make
bro.
here too. So we can,
Yeah, so we can put the clips.
yeah, the clips now. How are we gonna do that? The clips is gonna be like, you know?
Bigger.
Yeah, it's not gonna be like this
You
one.
gotta get the thing from the house. That thing.
What
What do
is
you
it?
call it? The drawer.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get the linky.
Yeah.
What is it called? Hold on, whatever. There's no black, right?
No, you can't highlight something.
Oh, it's black already, yeah, man.
So you guys see? Took the all one, man. Put the carbon fiber on. See? Now, I just gotta do this. That's the only thing I gotta do right now. Just tie those screw.
Mm-hmm.
So this bad boy is done.
That shit looks sexy now, man. Look
Yeah,
at this
man.
shit now. Carbon fiber.
See?
We got the 392.
I gotta tie this one now.
Yeah.
Small ones. You need this bad boy.
Yep.
What it is? It's a 7mm. Let's try it. Just think the size. Finally, we got the baby in, y'all. Look at this. It's crazy, y'all. Big up the field. You know, what is the all one? What is the all one?
Here, bro. $60 for sale. Holla at me.
60 bucks.
That's the 60 bucks.
You know, Marvin 88 got his car, y'all. That is RT right
Hey,
there.
turn it on, man.
And then we got
Turn it on.
Evel, man,
You have to put it
at the Infinity 2.
No? You have to put it
Let's give it a try.
You ain't gotta put your cup down.
Oh, okay.
Drink freely. Send it to daddy. Hey.
too. Look at this. Shit is crazy, y'all. No more flipping yet. Soon. Soon, y'all. It's crazy. At the 392, y'all. You know the vibe. Infinity in there too. Got my other boy's car, man. Check this out. They even got the diffuser, bro. Shit is clean. Shit is clean, yo. Man. It's nice. I need to get my shirt tinted too. Look at this tinted. This thing is. Yes, sir. Little system there.
Somebody's inside it.
Yeah, bro.
Sir.
That's a downgrade. Hey yo.
I'm outer space, nigga. And she fucking with a basic nigga. That's a downgrade. That's a downgrade. That's a downgrade. I'm outer space, nigga. And she fucking with a